What is up guys, Orange Super here, and today I'm showing you how you can get rainbow text just like this one. Okay, so we're going to be using Paint.net, which is a free program, and you don't need any extensions, mods, or anything for Paint.net plugins. So, first thing you want to do is go to Image, Canvas Size. This is only if you're making a YouTube thumbnail. Just set it to whatever the size you want your thing to be. So, now fill in your background. So, I have a color here, which is a dark blue. We're going to use the fill bucket, the paint bucket, whatever you want to call it, and just click on your background. Now you're going to want to make a new layer for the text. Now, make sure your color is on white and type something. So I'm going to be doing rainbow text tutorial. I think I spelled tutorial wrong. Okay, no, we're fine. And this is only if you're using a mod, but you can easily center this. So it's a plugin. I said you don't need any plugins. You don't need this one. This is just because if you have OCD or something and you want it to be exactly centered. Perfect. Now press escape. So, before you center it or whatever, just do all your settings. So I have my font, my size, everything. Okay. Now what you're going to want to do is take the rectangle select tool and make a rectangle around the text that you want rainbow. So if I want the text to be rainbow, I'm going to put it around rainbow. If I want rainbow text to be rainbow, I put it around rainbow text. And make sure you're on the right layer. So, yeah. If I want rainbow text tutorial all to be rainbow, do it all around. But I just want rainbow to be rainbow. So, you do that and press Control C or Command C if you're on the Mac, and add a new layer and paste the new thing on the layer. Now press escape. So now you have 3 layers. One that's your background layer, one that's your text layer, and one that's your layer with the text that you want rainbow. It's complicated. Now you're going to want to find a gradient of rainbow. I think you can do it straight from the program, but I don't know. It's difficult. So I'm just going to link an image, which is the entire rainbow as a gradient. So you're going to take that, you're going to right click and copy it, and then paste it in. Okay, so you're going to want to paste your rainbow gradient on a new layer. So just paste it in a new layer, and if it tells you to resize your canvas size, just select keep canvas size. And now we're just going to want to resize this so it looks about good. Only do it around the text you want. So now you should have 4 layers. Your background layer, your text layer, then your text layer that only has the text that you want, and then your rainbow layer. Now you can press the check mark next to it to hide it, and press escape so that goes away. Okay, now you're going to want to go to your magic wand. Make sure you're on the layer for the text that you want rainbow. I'm going to label all these layers. So that's background. This is text. And this is rainbow text. And this is rainbow. Okay. Now make sure you're on your rainbow text layer. Use the magic wand, hold shift, and click on any letter in the word that you want rainbow. It should go like that. Now show your rainbow layer, and click on your rainbow layer, and do Control C. Now you're going to want, or Command C. Now you're going to want to make a new layer, and then press Control V. Now it's going to be all really messy, so just hide your rainbow layer, hide your rainbow text layer, and now, if you press escape, you have your rainbow. That's pretty good. But, yeah, there's how to make your rainbow text. So the reason why it doesn't have red or whatever is because the rainbow gradient I put it all around, so all the way. and that means whatever was here came there. So if you don't like that, you can always do Control Z to undo, and we're going to just press escape, and move this to, oh, whoops, undo. Keep undoing till we have layer 5. Okay, keep undoing until the part where we just got. Okay, so now we're wanting to show our rainbow layer and just resize our rainbow layer so that it fits. So we're going to take that so that it fits the way we want it. So I think that is good. Escape, and just do the same thing again. So you're going to want to hide this layer, go to your rainbow text layer, use your magic wand, shift click on any letter in your text that you want rainbow, show your rainbow layer, go to your rainbow layer, do Control C, new layer, paste in your rainbow text, press escape, hide your rainbow layer, and hide your rainbow text layer, and perfect. So now you have your perfect rainbow text. So now all you have to do is delete the layers that you don't need. For example, rainbow, I don't think we need that anymore. We don't need rainbow text anymore. All we need is text, and I'll rename this to actually rainbow text. Perfect. Now we have our rainbow text easily and fast. So I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Press the like button if you want more Paint.net tutorials, and let's compare this one to the one that we made at the beginning. Literally exactly the same. Let's compare them. I think they're just about the same. Yeah. There you go. So if you like this tutorial, press the like button. If you want more tutorials like this one, hit the like button. If you want to see these tutorials like weekly in your subscription inbox, press the subscribe button, click the bell, because YouTube's messed up right now, and the bell is the only way you can actually properly subscribe to stuff. So yeah, thanks for watching, and yeah, sorry for making a video.